Safety technology is equally advanced. The ERTHSHOCK includes autonomous emergency braking, night vision cameras, 360-degree terrain monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, and military-grade impact protection systems. Now let's discuss the price because this level of engineering does not come cheap. The expected starting price for the 2026 Caterpillar ERTHSHOCK 12x12 is around £1.8 million in the United Kingdom. Fully customized editions with additional luxury upgrades could easily exceed £2.5 million. This machine is not designed for ordinary riders. It is built for collectors, billionaires, adventure enthusiasts, and people who want one of the most extreme luxury off-road machines ever created. The combination of insane power, futuristic technology, luxury comfort, and unstoppable off-road performance makes the 2026 Caterpillar ERTHSHOCK 12x12 one of the craziest vehicles ever imagined. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury vehicle reviews and future concept machines.